Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly neighborhood fridge alarmist. You know how I talk to my leftovers like they owe me rent? Well, soon my fridge might talk back.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who already argues with Siri about pizza toppings. Now imagine arguing with your fridge about whether the milk is still okay. Spoiler, it will win.
So here's the silly but absolutely real deal. At CES 2026 in Las Vegas next January, major appliance brands are showcasing smart kitchen tech that's going full sci-fi, including talking fridges that can actually understand natural speech and respond.
Yep, these aren't your grandparents' icebox with a water dispenser. These fridges use conversational AI so you can ask things like, what can I make with the ingredients inside? Or do we still have eggs? Without even opening the door.
And the smart oven next to them might recognize what you're cooking thanks to a built-in camera, auto-adjust temperature, and send you a doneness perfect alert when your lasagna is ready. No more meat thermometer paranoia.
That's right, your kitchen could soon feel like a helpful sidekick. Ask your fridge what's inside, and it might even suggest recipes or help manage your grocery list. It's like having a sous chef minus the toque.
And it's not just online chatter. Tech insiders are highlighting smarter AI home appliances at CES, including fridges with natural language AI interactions and cameras that analyze contents for food tracking and suggestions.
Yep, Samsung and LG are betting on AI-powered kitchens becoming the next big thing. From fridges that know what's inside without you telling them, to wine cellars that track your bottles and suggest pairing tips.
So soon, you might be able to yell at your fridge for raiding your leftovers, and it might actually answer back with nutritional guidance.
But don't worry, it won't judge you for midnight snacks. Hopefully.
Whether you're into smart kitchens, lazy cooking upgrades, or apocalypse-ready tech, the future is going to be chatty and delicious.
That's it for Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your fridge might be listening and learning.